Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the hidden settings that might be killing your internet speed. If your connection feels slow, even though your plan is fast, these are some of the simple checks that can make a difference. So first of all, you need to check the background apps and updates on both phones and PCs. The applications can silently use your bandwidth, so you need to close any unnecessary apps and pause the large downloads or system updates. So here in the settings of your device, you just have to tap on this search icon here on the top. Afterwards, when you search for the update, it is going to basically show you the auto update option. So if the auto update option on your device is enabled, you just have to simply turn it off, even if on the Wi-Fi. So simply select the option of do not allow and then tap on the option of turn it off. Now, the second thing that you need to do is to disable the VPN if you are using one. VPNs often reduce the speed because your traffic is routed through the extra servers. So if you are using the VPN, just simply turn it off. Now, the next thing that you need to do is you need to check your Wi-Fi band. If your router supports dual band, just make sure that you are connected to the 5 gigahertz instead of 2.4 gigahertz. When close the router, the 5 gigahertz band usually delivers the higher speed. Now another major factor is data saver. So inside the settings of your Android device, you just have to look for the option of the data saver mode. So if you have enabled the data saver mode over here, you just have to basically tap on it and you need to turn it off as well. For my device specifically, this option is turned off, but you need to also turn it off. So this particular feature is also one of the reasons why your internet speed is killing. Next, you need to reset your network settings. Over time, the misconfigured settings can build up. So a network reset is going to clear all the glitches relating to the DNS, IP conflicts and cached errors. So in order to do it, simply swipe down your notification bar. Over here, tap on the airplane mode once, then wait for 5 seconds and tap on the airplane mode once again in order to turn it off. So this way you will see a drastic improvement in the speed of your internet connection. So you can try these settings in order to basically fix your internet speed. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.